4 to 3. The man's gunning for me. Blue and white me war tonight. Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me, my lover stands on golden sands and watches the ships that go sailing. Somewhere beyond the sea, she's there watching for me. If I could fly like birds on high, then straight to her arms I'd go sailing. It's far beyond a star, it's near beyond the moon. I know beyond a doubt
Hi! Guess what? I'm sanding again!
Well, I guess it would be nice if I could touch your body. I know not everybody has got a body like me, but I gotta think twice before I give my heart away. And I know all the games you play, 'cause I play them too. Oh, but I need some time off from that emotion.
See that? That is a bad thing. After sanding, it should come out like this. Well, yeah.
But I'm showing you that door. Rock gonna happen.
Don't even think about it. Hey! Ikaw ha? Now you're trying to steal some hardener. Now you got resin in your nose. Sandali lang, meron kang epoxy sa ilong mo. Don't do that. This is toxic.
Now when I was a little boy.
Okay, the OSIPR Modified is actually finished. Sorry I didn't bother shooting the part where it gets painted. I forgot. I wasn't too excited. So I decided to paint it black instead of... You know, I'm not really sure what's the color of it, because sometimes I see it in metallic blue. Sometimes I see it in gray. Well, as you can see, mine has railings. I did that in another time, and well, I didn't show it to you, but it's actually pretty easy to make your own railings as well, so long as you don't need close-ups like this. I mean, if I close it up, you will see that it has a lot of defects. See that? Look at all that defect. See, look at all those defects. And this gun isn't even supposed to shine like that. But what the hell?
In an hour's time, I'm a man. I stand